Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today we're going to be going through some of these grafts that we did around the end of February, early March time. So yeah, we're just going to be going through how we did them, what we did, and how many have succeeded, because we've got 4 out of 5 grafts grown, and the pruning around the grafted shoots, and so how we can encourage those to grow. So yeah, let's go through a few of the things that we did. So as you can see, Howgate here has taken. I believe we did the wedge graft here, and as you can see, that's taken quite well. It's just gone over the tape a bit, but you know, that's all even out. The bark was split a little bit, but now it got some air. It's healed now, it's got some air, so yeah, that's growing all right. This little branch here sticking out, I'll cut that off. Now this is grown, so it can encourage this one to grow. We might do some more pruning up here, obviously, because this might want to be taken off because it's going that way a bit too much. As you can see here, this was the early graft that didn't take. I just don't think it was tight enough. We used normal candle wax instead of grafting wax, because grafting wax, I believe, you know, just keeps it in its liquid form more for more time, if you will, than candle wax, because it goes pretty much to a solid straight away, but you just got to be quick and keep it warm. So yeah, we used that in cut up freezer bags. So yeah, when we took it off, it was quite easy to undo. So yeah, we just tied it really tight. It seems to have done the job. As you can see here, that's another wedge graft. Bark's still a bit split, but that will grow. That's Engremont russet. As you can see, it's got big shoots on it. So yeah, that's good. I think actually this one was a splice graft, so it's literally just a slant on a slant. It's like a whip and tongue graft, but without the tongue, if you will. So yeah, we did a splice graft on that because it was easier. We just did the easy grafts because it's the first time grafting. So yeah, this branch here has laid down a little bit, but that's all right. We'll prop it up. It should be fine anyway. We've got some summer pruning to do here, maybe. We'll have to see. But yeah, it is quite a nice tree. This was originally a Brayburn, so this will have more varieties on it now. And I said we had 4 out of 5. Now we have 3 out of 5, because it looks like the storm last night had taken this graft out. This was Kings of Pippin. As you can see, it grew a really nice shoot. Not quite healed enough, I don't think. As you can see, that's very unfortunate. And that is quite disappointing, I will say. But you know, you've got to keep on trying. Maybe could have left it on a bit longer, I do not know, but we've got to see. So I just thought I'd show you this video to see if we did anything wrong and what we did right. So yeah, maybe it could be left on a bit longer, but I've literally just found this out, and yeah, it is quite disappointing, as I say, but it's just how it is. We can always graft more next year. But yeah, this was the best one, as you can see. Quite a big shoot, so it was definitely connected. But yeah, not connected enough. So we've just got to watch the other ones. Probably what we needed to do is cut the top off this, so it wasn't wafting around as much. And that would have done the job, because it may have wafted around, become loose, and a bird might have took it out or something. So tip for you next year, if you do yours, just cut it if it grows quite a bit. So it might nip the ends off the other ones to save those. But yeah, at least we can learn from this one. So yeah, that's the point of this video, I guess. Here we have Lord Lamborine. This one's got a nice little shoot on here. This was another wedge graft. That one down there was as well. So yeah, that one's grown quite well as well. So yes, as you can see, these little branches have gone out here where this one's fell out because most of the energy was going up there. So yeah, these should pick up now. It's nice to have a nice open bush anyway, but yeah, it'll be fine. The tree will not notice. As you can see, this branch here, we might want to take this branch off here so it's more like a fan, so we can get light to this one here. I'm going to nip the top off that soon so we can see. Hopefully that won't snap off like the other one. See, the tree is supposed to be an M9, but because we cut very hard, it grows very long shoots, about 3 foot each year at the top. So yeah, I think summer pruning needs to come in on this tree because it's just growing too vigorously. It might just be because it's very good soil here, but we believe it's an M9 because of how it started off growing and how it is growing. But yeah, I just think it's growing lots of shoots. It can be used for scion wood, I guess, if we wanted to graft lots of Braeburn apples. But yeah, we'll have to see about that. Yeah, apart from that, everything's done all right. I'm quite disappointed about that graft there, but yeah, at least we know we need to top them. So yeah, that's that, I guess. We've got some fruit coming on here. It's not the best fruit, but it's coming. Last year it wasn't very sweet. I don't know why that was, but hopefully this year it will be all right. We've also had some aphid attacks, but obviously ladybirds have got to work and sort of save the tree, if you will. But yeah, it's just best to leave it to the other insects to get rid of the bad insects, if you will. As you can see here, I forgot to prune this little branch here, and it's all this fruit just weighed it down. But yeah, we'll give it a hard prune again. Might give it some summer pruning as well, but we'll have to see about that. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but we should get back on the videos as now it's the summer holidays and we'll have more time. So yeah, I've just gone through a few things that I'd like to say, and at least I can tell you that you need to top your grafts. If you have grafts now, I would recommend to top them, especially if they're on a tree that's quite exposed to the wind, because we're just in a big open field here and it's on the side, so it could get a lot of wind damage. So yeah, definitely top yours if you are doing it next year or have already got some grafts. So I hope this video helped or you found it useful, and if so, remember to click that like button and press subscribe with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. So if you want to watch when we first grafted these scions onto this tree, click up here. We basically went through some of the same stuff, but I was just more going on about how we did it and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely go check that out and just click below it if you want to watch my latest video. And apart from that, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you all in the next one. So bye bye, everybody.